Okay, my server is up right now. What happened? Yep. Okay, so first thing to start a setup. Stop. Just slow today. So I came some progress for yesterday. Start the time. Yep. Hello there. Hello. Nice to meet you today. Okay, I'm up. Okay, so here I am trying to integrating my the devices part. Evening, brother. Good evening. So it's directly going to the link that we don't need. So just linking up this part. Key device, yeah. And just okay. I have to put it in the voice card. Actually, in the part around here. Wait. Hello guys, and long time no see actually, so welcome. I'm getting laggy today. Any error? So I'm getting a lot of error. Device can't come considering any error. Boundary to your tree customization. So which line? Okay, this is the line which causing the error. No worries. You can sort it out. Yeah. Okay. In the card we are in error. So what is that actually? We are getting the device. It is what it is. We don't need this, I think. Still the same, huh? Yep, but then that's not error. Oh, why is that? Oh, I got it. Why is that? This is a silly error which I'm making a lot today. We need to add this component here. We need to import. Yeah, that's the thing. Now we got things, so we can control. And if we want to go to that specific place, we can go. But now we can't able to go because there's no such path with containing that device content. So we will figure it out later. For far now, yesterday I did some went off with a little bit of mind thing, and I changed a lot in the registry page, and I decided to make a registration in different way with like, you know, while that Bluetooth connection happens, that data of the device will automatically shared to our server. Our web client only going to register that device. It would be nicer for that to uh, register, make a device to register rather than to use a different method. So in MQTT, the registration part, I feel it's not good and also secure. So I feel would be the nice thing which we can add more. So we need another one thing called UI type here. So the UI type is a crucial thing which I forgot to add. UI type. I think we could add, but I just go with the dynamic things. We can add, but no, not. So I need this in array because device type is literally the key to show how front-end need to be and how it need to be interactive, like, if it's switch, toggle or slider, we need things to do it right. So also I'm checking that too. Yeah, but the thing is we need it as an array because how many requests can you make via RabbitMQ free tier? So actually, RabbitMQ is a service which we can self-host, and it's open source. Okay, I'm planning on to self-host only. There's no such thing, if you there's no free tier. It's open source. Anyone can do it. So I have to pay if I need to self-host, but I'm planning on to make my PC as a server, but I don't know how this is going to be handled. But for now, everything is in local. Yeah. Okay, so nice, and we have to. so laggy today. Something causes more of my RAM. I don't know what is that. I have a lot of application opened, I think, but it's a normal as usual open. Okay, nice. So we need UI type too, because so UI type is for toggle. So if it sees toggle, you need that toggle button. Otherwise, we don't need. So we will test some device 45, and we will give the name test device 4312 or 3, something else. Invalid token. I have to log in. I got a new token here. Yeah, device registered successfully. Yeah, I'm in live. Okay, we are getting the devices too. A lot of devices, and same way we have cards of devices. This is the device section actually, to specifically know that. But now I'm not going to twinkling my feature stuffs. That means UA. So now my main target would be, so if I go into the control part, I need these same devices. And what are the things I need here? What are the things? What are the agenda of this page is to edit this node, like delete, CRUD application of that device fully. Like if user want to modify this device type, they need slider, or so many things we can do in a CRUD, right? Change the device name, and a lot of things we can go here to manage that device. So now we are focusing part is control. So why I did this page means this same page I need here. Here we don't need adding stuff, but we are having a cards of a devices which we go into and use its property. What are the properties it has? If I can do that, and also we can have that property above in the card also. So we need to think that part. So for that, just I'm going to create the control page app first in the place. So we don't have that right here as a route. So let's do it. So it's not that we need to create that for now. It's not a dashboard, so don't trust AI. Control. So which page we need? That's a key here. So we need to create another page. Here where that controlling of that devices will go in place. So I'm going to, just for now, I'm going to give a JSX and function which is going to be control page. Yep, for now it's okay. Export, done. Yep. And we are going to yeah, I love curiosity to learn and how things work. And yesterday I showed to you about the ROS 2. It is operating system, and fell in love with electronics. I did not know how, but my goal is to. I was searching about this term, what they call who are interested in these three things like mechanics, but not mostly mechanics, that robotics, like how they move and stuff, and electronics, and also in software part. And eventually I found one YouTuber who called himself as a mechatronics engineer, and I searched that term, and I found out so they are engineer who have media core in these three things, like not expert in these things, but they know what is going around. And I love the term, and I kept it, kept and wrote these things. I found the term finally, so that's a point here. So nice. So in this page we are now checking the line. So we got that path right now, but we didn't get any thing. Why is that? Console. Okay, we don't have any out. I think I got any mistakes. Yep, Iron Man. No, it's not that far, but that's a fantasy. Here we didn't. We mentioned slash control, right? So control as the same. Oh, we didn't save this page. I feel so slow today. My server is slow, and I was motivated to. Yeah, I didn't even see a single thing yet in the control. Still, there is a no match route. Okay, let's reload. Oh, I got something. I think. Oh, here we go. I only not noticing things, but now the error gone. And also, I want to test one thing, which is I connected the WebSocket here, right? So that same persisting here. That's going to I want to do it because I don't want to make a continuous connection for the same device. So then we are getting things. So we need to create these control page components. So I'm going to just replicate the same from the device here. Because it's going to be more or same for that layout, but I will doubly change. Yep. And I will come here. Okay, what I'm missing? I'm missing a lot, that's for sure. Okay, we have a lot of things here. So for now, we will put it above. Then we got that. I think what are the errors we are facing right now? Yep, we are facing this. Yeah, right. Let's see. Yep, the same as here. So right, and we need to plan a lot of UI things after. Now just going for to test things, so I just focusing on the features. So I'm going to create it's a device management, so it's a control. Yeah, so this is great. I got that too. So okay, so now we are going to keep this slider, right? we are going to design the components for the stuffs like, let's create. So I'm just going to create a new folder in the properties, because the properties is going to be all the properties component going to be here. So toggle.jsx, or let it be toggle. Yeah, that in JSX and slider .jsx and temp display JSX. Even it will show the temperature display. Then what are the things we need? Like, we will go and check here. Color components, that means that color adjuster, what they call picker, color pickers, that we need that one component. Color. Okay, colors.jsx. Okay, for now, these are the simple things which we needed. What's that? Let me see what we are getting. So first I'm going with the toggle. We have the Radix component, and Radix is really helpful in this moment, really, because just we are prototyping. So I think switch is that, yeah, it calls switch. Okay, so it's nice, squarey thing. Okay, let it be and take this thing. Import switch. Function toggle. Oh, what it is? Wait a second. We need to read. Check on checked change. On checked change. What it means? Select VC. Nice. So I think I will go by this center one because I like that. So I will go with small, radius small. Okay, so so we will see what this output by go to device card. Nice, we will have here that. So now what we need to do is, according to that type we need to show here. That's a switch. No, we already have that. So device dot UI type. I think I'm doing it right. Mapping it. So here actually we are going to use our component input toggle from. Okay, nice. What we are getting an error. So we will test what that A gave to me in the first place. Sometimes we are clueless. Then JWT is working fine for now. So I need to change a lot of UI thing because wait. Okay, still it's the. Okay, I didn't even change a thing here, right? So toggle. So I need to change the radius to small because that looks nice. Did I change? So there's no error to. Oi. Okay. Okay, so I didn't get the changes of these devices. I don't know why. Radius didn't changed. I did it right, I think. Okay. Oh, nice. The thing is, I didn't even export this. Then how it that? Oh, so only it didn't even came up there. Nice job. Okay, I got it. It overriding things. Like, here we have where is it here? Yeah, here we have already a toggle, I think, a switch, so it's overriding. So I will remove it. Now we will check. Oh, still, yeah, we are getting now error. This is what I need. Yep. So we are getting an error as in this import of the control. Okay, I deleted it somehow, or I didn't even do it. Yeah, I didn't even do it. We don't need it here though. We need it in this control. Here we are using it right because it's same folder, toggle. Could not able to find the error. I think I'm going back in the trap of UI twiggling. Okay, let's check then. Slider. Scroll area, we don't need it. Yeah, we have a slider. Nice. We have a lot of different type of slider. Let's check with this one. Oh, I got it. Why I got the mistake? Ah, I did return. Ah, I am so excited. So 1 second, guys. No failure protection. So that's my friend is in my WhatsApp. He's doing one purchase for me. That's why I paid him. So yeah, yeah, yep, yep, yep. Early. No, I don't need it. I need a style in a theme, brother. Okay. Let it come. Oh, I got why I didn't get a value because in so yeah, I got why I didn't even get a thing here. So the matter is, guys, there is a no UI type for the, you know what I'm saying. There is a no UI type in a data. So how it will kill? Oh, forgot the password. Right. Yep, we have that. So let's click that. See, let's edit UI type. Toggle. Save. Mainly we need to edit this device because it's we have in a current. So okay, we almost crossing slider. Okay. Toggle. Check. We need data, right? So there's a no data. Now we are again. So what it's saying correctly, console the request model slash components slash properties slash toggle.j6 does not provide an export name default. Okay, we are giving it. Oh, I didn't even save that. Nice. Now we will get, man. Now we go and check C. Nice. But we didn't. Oh, it's overriding things, but we don't need that. So we are having some, we don't need actually this tile. Why I yeah, now it's good. Oh, what is happening? So where that toggle is there, that everywhere our device is turned on. Okay, the part. So we will. Yeah, main part is what is my device name? So this is that device, I think. I hope. Let me check the device. Yeah, second device, right? And let's change one thing with the slider. So for that, we need to change the code. So we are going voice car. Copy. Oh, okay. Oh, what is happening? Yeah. Here we need to see the slider. If there is a slider, we need a slider. Right. We exported the. Oh, we didn't even export the slider part. That's one silly mistake. We are leaving a lot. Oh, you are like my keyboard sound. I recently bought this. It is Radix Hydra 10 mechanical keyboard. Wireless and 60%. Worth for buying. Now it is 2,500. I think I bought it in offer, like around nearly 2,000 2,000 rupees. I'm getting it. Nice. Why I am getting it? Let us see. Yeah, Skyline, it's a Hydra 10, Protronics Hydra 10, and I would say it's worth buying. I'm getting an error because of the capital letter. Oh, what? Okay. What is the problem here? Okay. Already been declared. Nice. I expected that. You know. Why I keeping maintaining each component differently is because I need to handle some APIs and topics with this, so I'm handling it. So what are the purpose we need slider for? Okay, let me see. It's almost going to be 50 minutes and I'm so happy. So guys, please subscribe if you love watching my coding and do code along with me, you know, that is nice. And also follow, you can connect to our Discord server, link in description, and connect and speak with me also. Yeah, it's saying this, we imported already a slider. So how can we do it in a better way? Subscribe, bro. Are you using Vim? Can you make a video on that, like your config and key bindings or for those? I am not using Vim right here. I'm using Vim Motion. We have difference, So I am actually using Vim for, for this. I will show. I have a NeoVim configuration, but I am not much of a NeoVim configurator, because I would not say that, because I just used a lazy Vim and I did a little bit of ESP, LSP, like language server. That's the only part of which I configured for my languages, like Laravel, Linux. That's all the thing which I did. It's lazy Vim. Here I will use here I will use Vim, and I use Vim for those scripting in a Linux, and I love Vim Motion, so I kept the Vim Motion. I have key bindings though, it is in here. Always it will have here, so I will share. If you want, go check it out, the GitHub repository of this same repository. I have a link in description, and do like that repository, give a star, and there you can see this key binding.json file in this folder, and you can use it in your VS Code, and it will become nice. And I definitely if I had time, I will make a video on it, how I am using, and I just configure things which for my own likeness. Yeah, I will. VS Code is so nice, we can do a lot of configurations, but okay, we have to solve this here. We have to mitigate this. So what purpose we are going to use a slider for? So that's the main part. We have to see. Let's go with the Rainmaker application. I'm taking inspiration from this application only, and it is mobile app, but I'm doing web app. Here we go. Okay, so for the brightness, so Yeah, we will keep a different components. So it's a brightness slider. Let it be bright. Yes, bro. Please make a video on that topic if you have time. By the way, thank you so much, and I will thank you for that. You asking me, I will definitely make a video of it. So I will garden an error now. So I'm getting okay. Let's go here, and Vim, makes you like fast, like really fast. So let's make a third device and UI type slider. That's it. Let's see how this is happening. Oh wait. Oh, okay. Let me code that here. Device card. So now it changed. So we need to change here. Brightness. Okay, then we just need to rename that. Oh, shoot. Yes, brightness. Yes. Okay. And I have to change it in this device card. Oh, it changes automatically. Nice. Let me see. We get a slider or not. Okay. We spent almost a nice time in live. I love guys, and I thank you guys for seeing you. So the third device need to have a slider, but we are not getting any slider. Why is that? We are doing some mistake. Yeah. Let's go and see what we are getting in a yeah. Definitely have an error. Okay, what does that error means? Failed to load resource server responded to status by entity. Yeah, we definitely have the error in device card. Okay, what is it? BRIGHTNESS slider.jsx GHTNESS slider.jsx. Alright. I type slider, you have to show this. I can't get things. Did I export? I did export that. not getting in it. Okay, nice. I'm not getting a thing. Why we are not getting a thing? Okay, that's it. Good night, everybody. See you tomorrow in the live.